it's SheRea. What's up? Back with another video. I am here with a lazy natural summer protective style. Honestly, you don't need any leave out, no glue, no lace, no scarves, no got to be hairspray, nothing. All you need is moisturized natural hair underneath and vibes, and that's how we got this look. Shout out to HERGIVENHAIR for continuing to support your girl, for continuing to allow me to create content that I love. Like, I love me a good headband wig, so I was really happy to collaborate with them. So again, thank you to HERGIVENHAIR. This is the HERGIVENHAIR headband wig in the texture curly. It also comes in coily and kinky as well, I am pretty sure, but this is their curly texture, their 3B 3C curls. I just wanted to switch up my look, and the 3B 3C texture definitely does not look like my natural hair per se, but it is giving the fluff and the volume that my natural hair has, well, when it was longer. So I do love that. Even though this is a headband wig and you can wear it with a scarf, I will show you how to do that in this video. I prefer wearing my headband wigs like a full wig, or like a half wig worn as a full wig. No leave out, nothing. A leave out would make it look more natural, but for me, a wig is a wig is a wig is a wig, right? So this is how I personally rock it, but I've been doing enough long talking, so let me jump into the video and show you how I rock this wig. And we're going to ignore my house dress because it is Clorox to the gods, like the Caribbean queen that I am. It's Clorox or nothing, baby. Before I apply the wig, I do want to kind of treat my scalp a little bit just to get some hair growth popping on my scalp. So I am going to go in with the Rapid Biotin and MSM Advanced Scalp Therapy from Uhuru Naturals. I talked about this months ago before I cut my hair, and I've gone back to using it because like my hair grew so much when I was using this. I'm gonna go in with this first, spritz my scalp, and then I'm gonna go in with the S Secrets hair growth oil. I did a video on this a few weeks ago now, and you can click the card right here and check out that video. And I really do enjoy this. It's black like my man, that's how I like it. Y'all want to know the secret to hair growth? It's oil. Just kidding. We're gonna put on a wig cap, just like that. So this is the wig. Honestly, I washed this wig maybe a month and a half ago, and it's just been thrown around my studio. So here's the wig, a little ratty, but we're gonna get her together. And I'm sure you've seen a headband wig, so you have the headband in the front, and of course it has the Velcro to Velcro it in the back to secure it. And there's also 3 combs in the front, and there's also a comb in the back. I never really use the combs. I'm just going to make the combs sit on my wig cap. I'm not gonna actually use the combs, and I'll just take them out eventually. And there's also the adjustable straps as well if you have a small head. I personally prefer pushing my edges back, just exposing some of my edges like that. Even without styling it, you can see that this wig holds a curl really well. Like I said, I washed it. I literally just washed it with some shampoo, and I didn't use any conditioner, just shampoo, and the curls are pretty much still giving. Like, I don't have to define the hair, but I will just for the sake of this video. Take some water, right? I'm just gonna wet her down, not too much, because I got other videos to film after this. So I don't want to soak it down where I look like a wet cat. You can get it really wet and get it flat, but I have a big ass head and I like to have volume. So I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of curl cream. I will link this one down below. It doesn't really matter. Use whatever curl cream you use on your hair. Oh, this wig is so soft, y'all. It's so soft. So this is the end result of blow drying my hair with my Dyson. It's about 90% dry or so. I literally used my Dyson like this. I did not use a diffuser. I wanted it to be quick, so I just did this And I didn't care about frizz. Frizz makes it look more natural. So right now I'm just taking a comb just to kind of pick it out to get it bigger, because one thing about me, I like big hair. You do not have to pick it this much. If you like a flatter look, that is your business. That is not my preference. So I'm gonna take the scarf, put it around my head, and literally just tie a knot. So we have the knot. Now I'm gonna take the tail and I'm just going to tuck it underneath. Now I'm gonna take this side. I'm gonna take one piece of it and I'm gonna tuck it underneath. With this, I kind of want it to stick up like that. Oh, I don't hate that. You can make this as subtle or as extravagant as you want. I kind of like that it kind of looks like a hat because a bitch is extra like that. So that's an option. Boom. And if this is too much for you, you can always tuck this in so it's more subtle, like that. So I'm gonna take the wig and I'm going to tilt it to the side, like that. Now with the band, I just tuck it on itself, like tuck it in, like that. And I go in with edge control, just to sleek my edges and it kind of camouflages it. You can do a leave out to make it look as natural as possible. As for me in my house, I don't want to do any work. No work, darling. And this, honey, is how you slay a headband wig for the lazy natural in all of us. No leave out, no gel, no glue, no lace, nothing. Absolutely nothing. Nothing but moisturized natural hair underneath and vibes. And that's how you get this look. Not even a scarf. I am very, very lazy and I don't even want to put a scarf on my headband wig. So this is how I wear it and this is how I rock it. What do y'all think? Well, that's it, y'all. This video has been long enough. Thank you again to HERGIVENHAIR for sponsoring your girl, for keeping the lights on, and that's it for now. I will leave all the wig details down below, as well as where you can purchase the wig and any coupon codes, whatever. Everything will be down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Peace. Bye, y'all.